Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. How's it going? I've got a great video for you if you are a Shopify entrepreneur or if you're thinking about being one. And I'm going to tell you how you can flawlessly manage your orders, your inventory, your shipments, your customers, and even more, all in one place inside of Shopify. So let's jump right into it. Now, managing the different pieces of your business. When you're a Shopify entrepreneur, and I don't even care if you have a partner, it doesn't matter. It's Shopify entrepreneurs or entrepreneur, you're going to be wearing many hats. You're going to be doing marketing, right? Ads and driving people to your site, customer service, order fulfillment, shipping, accounting. That's just a few of those different hats that you'll be wearing. There are definitely a lot more as well. And managing this correctly means having easy access to your relevant reports, to your data, to your statistics. Right? It's not just saying, okay, we have 20 customers. It's saying, okay, we have 20 customers, 10 bought this product, 5 of them are repeat customers, et cetera, et cetera. Having all these different metrics allow us to understand the different pieces of our business. And when we understand the pieces of our business, we can run it and operate it at a higher level. The old saying goes, if you don't know your numbers, you don't know your business. And that is entirely true. You not only need to know your numbers, but you need to have them easily accessible by you, and if you have a team, your team as well, right? It can't just be something that only you have access to. Should be easily accessible to everyone involved in the business. Now, when we're talking about pain points, Shopify doesn't have any of these tools built into their platform. So we need to find kind of external ways to accomplish all of this. And in the Shopify ecosystem, that means apps, right? So we're going to need to install multiple apps to accomplish all the different marketing strategies and operational strategies that we've been talking about. And obviously, when you have multiple apps, that means you're going to be paying for more things, right? You're going to have a higher monthly fee running your Shopify store, having 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 different apps to accomplish what we need to accomplish here. So you need to pay for more apps, but you also need to learn and manage more apps. A bit of a learning curve for each app. You're just going to have to do that more. And really, I think the worst thing, apart from the money, is that it can slow down your site. If you have multiple apps, they're going to be injecting lots of different extra code or scripts into your site. It's just going to simply slow things down. Keep everything all in one, you'll be able to have that kind of faster site speed with less loading. Probably most of you, myself included, started with spreadsheets. And, you know, it might be good if you're just getting started. Maybe you have, a couple of orders a week and you could manage everything and you could really dig into your customers and take a look at all that stuff on a manual level. But that's exactly what spreadsheets are. Everything is manual, right? And at scale, just too time consuming. You're going to have to be copying and pasting information, exporting from here, importing from there, making sure that everything lines up. And by the way, this could introduce some human error. I'll give you a quick story about when I used to do manual reporting with spreadsheets. Thought I had a product that was not doing too well. It was because I had a typo. It actually was selling really, really, really well. I couldn't figure out what was going on in terms of my reports not adding up. It was because I had a typo in the sales column. Instead of 100 plus sales, I think it said something like 16 instead of 165 or something like that. So manual errors, big no-no, obviously, when you're trying to understand the numbers of your business. And that happens with spreadsheets, and it's really no one's fault. It's just, human error. Another thing about spreadsheets, doesn't really show the full picture, really just looking at a bunch of disjointed numbers. So another alternative, obviously, would be to outsource all of this, maybe to a bookkeeper or to an accountant. Gets more expensive when you get closer to an accountant. Doesn't really make sense to do either of these. Number one reason is that all of the information is already inside of your very own Shopify store. There'd really be no reason of sending it out. The information is literally already in there. So how do you do this the right way? If you want to manage everything all in one, if you want to understand the big picture, then you need to check out and use Versa Cloud ERP. And it's a great Shopify app. You see the link directly below this video. I'm going to go over the shoulder in a second and show you a little bit more about Versa. Really, really great solution to kind of understanding the entirety of your business, having everything accessible. Let's jump over the shoulder, and I'm going to show you just exactly why I highly recommend using Versa Cloud ERP for Shopify. You're looking at VersaCloudERP.com. You see the link directly below this video, and we're specifically talking about their Shopify app. I'll show you it on the Shopify side in a second, but this is an all-in-one app. It's going to accomplish everything that you need to run your business. We're talking about accounting, inventory, warehouse management, shipping, receiving, payments, customer management, everything in one, all through VersaCloud ERP, and that's why I use it. That's why I highly recommend it. And everything is integrated in literally just a couple of minutes. Once you set up and install the app, all of the different points of data that will get pushed into the ERP here, financial data, buying, selling, receiving, stocking, shipping, tracking, all of that will be fully integrated in here in the Shopify app. It's fully all in one, and it's literally the only app that you need to do so many different things that are kind of required for any type of e-commerce business. It doesn't matter if you're selling print on demand or drop shipping or your own personal product or even digital products, you could benefit from the all-in-one features of VersaCloud. And this is not just a spreadsheet, right? You might have started with a spreadsheet. You might be used to doing things manually, right? This is going to help you do everything automatically. Say goodbye to double data entry. All the information is just going to flow into this app as it makes the connection with Shopify. That happens automatically. And inside the dashboard, you could manage everything about your business: reordering, selling, inventory, drop shipping, receiving, warehouse management, returns, refunds, bill pay, your back office accounting and financial things, reporting, business intelligence. It's a really powerful tool. And again, it kind of accomplishes all the different things that any type of e-commerce business needs to do, just all in one app. And speaking of the app, this is the Shopify app right over here, VersaCloud ERP. Again, you see the link directly below this video. Perfect 5 out of 5 star reviews over here. And really, it's because it does so many different things. It's that all-in-one app that has feature after feature after feature to make sure you're getting the most of all the data that's kind of floating around inside of your Shopify store. It's all centered in VersaCloud ERP, and it's not just the data, it's all the different actions that you can take as well. Here's what you can expect inside of your VersaCloud ERP account. You're going to see a huge amount of reports in all different types of categories, again, giving you that business intelligence that's actually required to run any business at a high level. And we see everything really visually broken down here. So you have all the numbers, you have all the stats, you also have it visually presented. So it's easy for you to kind of understand the reports, right? And you see that all the different tabs up here, all the different sections of your ERP account, all accessible over here. And again, it's that all-in-one kind of feature set that makes this app so powerful. Again, you could filter the settings, you could filter the reports inside of any report here, just drilling down onto a specific order history date. And again, this is just one of the looks inside here, inside of Versa. You see dashboard, invoices, bills, products, projects, orders, logistics, reports. Literally, your entire business can be run directly through VersaCloud ERP. That's why it's so powerful. Another big thing I want to call attention to, really love this. This helps you get up and running. You get 3 free live meetings with their team. And this, these aren't recorded. These are live, basically video chat, screen share chat, where you get to kind of ask questions, make sure you're set up correctly, get all the tips and kind of inside tricks that are working right now. And that's totally free. You basically just get 3 meetings absolutely free just for using VersaCloud. So you're going to make sure that you're using it at the highest level at all time. I highly recommend VersaCloud. You could definitely go ahead and check out the app, but I invite you to kind of get a little product tour over here with the team. You could check out the link below this video, versaclouderp.com, and you just click product tour up here in the corner, and you'll be able to get that live product tour. If you're ready to install, go right over here into the Shopify app. This link is below the video as well, or you could just search Versa inside of the Shopify App Store, and you'll see VersaCloud ERP. You can install it right now. You got a 14-day free trial to make sure that it's going to make you money and give you the kind of reports and intelligence that you'll be able to dominate really any business, any niche with. So again, highly recommend it. Take a look below this video, and I hope this helps you make some money. Thanks.